Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Routing Information Protocol, RIP version 2. Specifically within RIP version 2 we're going to look at troubleshooting, and this is our RIP version 2 Troubleshooting Lab 2. So as you can see from the network topology, we have 4 routers in this lab. We have router 1, 2, 3, and 4. Router 1 has a loopback 0 IP address of 1.1.1.1/24, and router 2 has a loopback 0 IP address of 2.2.2.2. Router 3 is 3.3.3.3, and router 4 is 4.4.4.4. We have networks connecting router 1 to router 2. That network is 192.168.12.0/24. We have a network between router 2 and 3, which is 192.168.23.0/24, and we also have a network in between R3 and R4, which is 192.168.34.0/24. So what we're going to look at in this lab again is troubleshooting RIP version 2. The network is broken right now, and what we're going to need to do is follow the examples in the examples in the document provided. So in RIP version 2 Troubleshooting Lab 2, the first thing we're going to be asked to look at is the host IP, which is 1.1.1.1 off loopback 0 on R1 cannot ping IP 2.2.2.2 off loopback 0 on R2. Configure the network so that 1.1.1.1 can ping 2.2.2.2 and network connectivity is restored. So in this first task, let's go back to our lab, and from a troubleshooting perspective, this is only going to cover 2 routers, router 1 and router 2. So we can simplify the problem down to connectivity between these 2 routers, and that is all. So the first thing we want to do is we can use the troubleshooting technique of divide and conquer, where we try to troubleshoot in the middle of the OSI model. So we can try to ping from R1 to R2 and see if we have reachability. Again, that's ping is using layer 3. We can go ahead and try to do that. It's very rare that this is going to work right off the bat. So ping 2.2.2.2, then we can source this from our loopback 0 interface. And as we can see, we are unsuccessful in doing so. If we look on R1 and do a show IP route to see if the 2 network is even in our routing table, you can see that the 2 network is not present.